Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today we are going to make carrot cake. First we are going to start with 250 grams of bread flour. To that we are going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 cup or 200 grams white sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 whole eggs with 1¼ cups canola or other vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. To your egg mixture, add 1 cup or 200 grams lightly packed brown sugar and whisk. Add your wet ingredients to your dry and combine. Here we will add our 3 cups or 300 grams of grated carrot. And optionally you can add in raisins or nuts as well at this point. Divide evenly between 2 round cake pans and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Then set to the side to cool and decorate. Now we are going to make our cream cheese whipped cream frosting. We will start by putting 4 ounces of cream cheese cold into our stand mixer. Turn on your mixer and beat the cream cheese until it is nice and smooth. Once that's nice and smooth, slowly add in 1 cup of granulated white sugar, half a teaspoon maple extract, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Once that is creamed together, slowly pour 1½ cups heavy whipping cream down the side of the bowl. This has to be done very slowly as it's whipping, or the mixture will break and not set properly. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed, and when it's done, it's time to frost our cake. That concludes another episode of Cooking on a Dime. If you like this video or even learned something, please give us a like, hit that subscribe button, you know you want to, and join us next time where I teach you how to make tater tot casserole. See you soon!